Abuzanfo ya mamo achia mama kwa bebra so mamuni ya maudo biso nsamo ya papa no pay ya bani ya de babe somo nsam ne doso na poso eni ntitia ye titia no pay se afia ye kwa koremu no abadwuma ifu nyina ban atoto wo no market mu
enne wo hwe ni mu se ye raken oforiata be remra shebedwam na omeyi ya budget won sensem no de akwakoto dwa na emra shebedwafo bi ede wonsusu ye aba no pay
na churchofo penny de man pipi amanyoko de atodwa se abato a party ne ba beto eye awura no mo mbegina ede amanyoko no won pese ahodo so no nyade a wo mo ebeyi obia de afri mu
ye wura kwadwo alantramante wono so di susu ye bia bosen ke be ya hyehye ye wo man ne wo ene party wono manifesto no enka emfa ekwan bi so ena no pay emu nsem ha se no mo ye de ba bedan mo
inflation so yate se so ate ede da form a ene ye bewram ne ye de ho nkomo
na ndc amanyoko titire ne ye no wa sante matama se kire se nyina so bi wo ho enu nte no npp amanyoko ne nkuguo die ebe kode ama wono mafie de yanim no abato ne mo
medinde na ya obo amali bi aboga no pemene
ohine ire ma me akua yeboa esiama
ye shaka se na se de afri apedie ho nsansam na entity a Sompa fm nsamchefo ababetu apono so ne se Ghana adwumayefo nyina afia ye kwa koremu no aban atoto o market mu a ohamu nchichemu pedu no emiensa 23% and aban e de atoto no market so ne nyina eye meeting a be na ne nansanie omo ene adwumayefo hyase a omo twetwe homa na ne adwumayefo gina be 70% ntumu na wori mo pe ana na aban so na nam 15% a omo ekotwetwe ye edidi nkomo no a entity a yetete ne se adwumayefo ene aban gina akwako gina benkromu a omo agiatum se akatua ne de omo entumo hamu nchichemu pedu no miensa 23% and am soma closak penimpa yira Dr. Isaac Bampuado ene nsamtwefo di nkomo echichiri mu de ko mu pa eno nchema adwumayefo te ase a sisi akatua no ntumu no ene number 23%.
Government upon government, whichever color it is, I've always complained, no money. They have given us all sorts of reasons. They have jaws. I mean, a JP. But we have resolved that this must change. Next round of negotiations, government should have enough money to even give us double living wage. And to do that, I think we have to look at the wastage in our system. We as Labour, we are not going to wait for another year before we start talking about these things. I think we start talking about these things now. And we have resolved that any which way, freedom must come.
Abuzanfo nti we ye Dr. Isaac Bampuado on ye pene kwanchefo da closer geku na no anana ochechi nsemu kakra de akere ye no
enne ye hwe ni musa photosafo iraken no for real tod na ni be kire mu amra hyebedwa no me ye tebra ne ye bobre ye sika sam toto ye sade ye sigina no watimi e de akwakoto omamu ni nyina ene mu amra hyebedwam na no e na ade hye pina e hwe ni mu kwan ene ama hodo bi a wo hwe se aban no wai aye the budget ye twato okora no wade be hyehye ye na ene ama koyi amasika sam toto ye no so no etimi agina ne na so CPS ta na aka ho bi enya Ghana de hye nko aye omwo fom e na ehwe ne mu na mom mrahebedwafo ya wonom so mrahebedwam no wonom so de omu hwe ne mu kwa firi enne budget ho ntoto ye ene ho nsem no wonom edeto ensentrefo ani mu asompa kasefo ya twen bi esay.
But we have told him that we think that the people of Ghana have been taxed so much. The tax burden already is very, very high. And so it will be inappropriate to come with new taxes. Rather, the minister should look at cost cutting in terms of expenditure. The issue is not just about revenue. I've heard a lot of people talk about revenue. Yes, it's good to raise revenue, but it's also important that you look at the expenditure side as well. And so we're still waiting for the budget tomorrow. We are poised, but personally, as a member of parliament, I think that it's improper, it's unacceptable to further come up with new taxes and increase the tax burden.
August, no more days. The card do ever took a call at Parliament. I'm a Parliament at Jet. And the Blue call on 1st October, and there's a money car. Only took a call. As we speak, it's never took a call for the Parliament. And the subject for Mokuko is Susan Muneska. And the LBC, no, I am to call BBC, a Jumapano, who are foreign from Nigeria. Among us, companies, Najisica. omoto nti omodi sika no wi a omoto kokoro no wi a the expense mo de ba porto aban beto na nka wotu omuka.
Where the culture is, because everybody in this country who is interested in agriculture, once you show where your land is and you are registered, all the coordinates are pegged, automatically you are given to an agriculture, and he is going to ensure that your land preparation, your seed supply, your fertilizer supply, extraction services that you need, the chemicals that you need to ward off pests and diseases, all these things will be supplied to you as input credits. That we are interested in the output. So at the end of the day, at the output level.
Media na matitino sesana ekonodia netide adepa.
Ebusiafo mra hyebadwafo binom adwenkyerɛ ɛfa ɛnɛ yɛsikasɛm ho yɛ a yɛwura Ken for Riata wade ɛkɔ akɔto ɔmamu no nyina anim ɛwɔ mra hyebadwam no ɛho nsɛm bi ɛne yɛtie yɛ
na sikasɛm yi ahoɔ na entity abɛtɔ so mpɛ fam nsɛm twɛfa pono sɛ kyerɛ sɛ Ghana inflation na tete aba fam pa na egyina hɔ mu nkyekyɛ mu aduasa ɛyɛ nwɔtwe akyiri pɔ baako ɛyɛ 38.1% ɛna na egyina ɛwɔ ɛyɛ September bosomi no mu nanso nei atete de aba fam pa ababedru be 35.2%. Now Professor Samuel Kobna enim ena aban enkuntabuo hu nsensem nyina oheso wacheche nsemu se de kire.
Inflation for the month of October 2023 stood at 35.2, which literally means that between October 2022 and October 2023 prices of goods and services went up by 35.2%. This rate of inflation, which signifies the third consecutive slowdown in the rate of inflation, is 2.9 percentage points lower than the rate that was recorded for September 2023, which had a rate of inflation of 38.1%. We disaggregate this rate of inflation from two perspectives: food and non-food inflation, and locally produced items and imported items. Between food and non-food inflation, food inflation was 44.8% for the month of October 2023, relative to 27.7% for non-food inflation for the same time, October 2023. The slowdown in food inflation is sharper as it decreased by 4.6 percentage points between September 2023 and October 2023, relative to the 1.6 percentage point drop for non-food inflation as it declined from 29.3% to 27.7% for the month of October 2023.
Abusuantiwe Professor Samuel Kwabena enim wono na ban konta ho nsensem nyina oheso na wocheche nsemu de kire ye no
afeye boremo ewo Movement for Change Party amanyoko ya yewura John Alan Kwadwokyerɛ Maten waye kwafare basa ya kandifo ewo mo no na panyin de ensem atodwa kyerɛ sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔman na mamna ya wotintim na fia pema henkra duokru mienu 1992 constitution no ɛwɔ sɛ etimi ɛboa na amanyoko ahodo ya won mo mem nso no wonom hyehyeye ene won mani suade hunu de ɛwɔ pɛsɛ wɔba abɛm wɔbɛyɛ de bo adehia setena mu yedie no ya yato din sɛ manifesto no ɛwɔ sɛ ene saa ɔman yɛ hyehyede no ɛfa ɛkwantere ne baako pɛso na nyɛ sɛ bia ban bi tie adwa so na de ɛwɔ yɛ ne nyenti obi ban so a ene we nye we sentimi so me ba meye we se na etimi aboa na no ane sɛ yɛ kɔyɔ wɔ kyerɛ sɛ basa entimi mua ɛmo ɔman no yɛntimi enya enkoso wadansɛm wɛsɛ nyina ɛdi ɛwɔ Moving Pink Hotel yɛ no ɛwɔ nkrampoponi mantam wɔ abrɛ kokɔ ahodoɔ wɔnom kɔhyia yɛ ɔkɔgyina seɛ ɛde ensɛm wei ɛne afoforo bi ɛto dwa sɛ
constitutional reforms, particularly in respect of the development of a national development plan and making sure that we are aligned as a country to that development plan. I further made the point that manifestos of political parties or individual presidential candidates must be aligned to an agreed national development plan. So basically we are all on the same homepage in respect of that. Now, another point that comes out of your inquiry is the continuity in governance. There could be no better reflection of the issues that I'm raising about transformation than the fact that if you have a president that is elected on the ticket of a political party, then obviously after the term of office of that political party or the government brought into office by that political party, you can almost assume that a new government that comes in on the ticket of another political party would have the tendency of discontinuing some of the projects, if not all of the projects of the previous administration.
Abusia for movement for change can the four ne kofaribaye Rakwajo Alan Cash and na yeti no na watch change se mebasa na se de nyina no manifesto ni o menhye na efa kwatene ne so a ebetimi aboa fi sese ya anya ne sa ban bi ba ene obey na afa mu de na mamuo ne kwa wie ya pɛ no sendis ne ba so abehu safe na ne nwuma wo hye ase no na ye gya to MPP ba no so akwɔhye ne de ase wo se akyerɛ se ebasa entimi mua ema niema enkwanka mpuntu nwuma wo se ensaka no ye ntimi enya nti no wo mu hwɛ na abato ni dru so 2024 Kukwa Veronica Jando no akasa na de nyina yewura Alan Cash wase wo ntoma no no mla mesesa Ghana na change no entimi enimu yi.
Observe MPP amanyoko ya hobo enche bia won mo ba beto aba won pesia hodo so no mo ayewura no mo a ebegira de amanyoko no won pesia hodo so be hyase December bosom ne de tosum yi no na je so mo de ato mo a e de aba be January no nti no omo ahyase wo miamia omo friend orphan constituencies ne chese pesia no a enya MPP amanyoko no asebigafo na wo ho no no e ho no mo hyase de free asaba no e be koso December bosom ne de toso emie no and am so matwetwo for penny at the MPP amanyoko no lawyer Justin Kodia Frimpon e de aso just obi eni wo no mo a sa gudie wo mbe yi na frim omo disqualify obi a on krata asem ye nko ade a on beji watum amo akwa akopre bi
ana 2 million so I am out for the 2 million about 22 kotua yenga se me ma bani e ma bani that's a crash for bani omo ma go school for bani obi atu aba eti ni pa na amount for say one no e no mo kwenu omo di mane do bi abeba se be nya Ghana pra na lebisa se bia wutimi nyina o ya party man lebisa so wutimi nyina
Awzafo no akire nkabomu wosreye se ejese obibia nkabomu na de nkunim beba de ama MPP amanyuku no eno nti wosreye so monko momom se yafunu kromo ade na omonya adwumaden emfa mo party na break the 8 no ntimi enwie peyo As a point away, I church for penny the man PP amanyuko no lawyer Justin Kodia Frimpon.
Yeah, Ramo ewa NDC amanyuko na sante mantema se titine ni de ma wonom na nakwesi. Wano so eden sama to draw MPP amanyuko no kebeya wo muntum na if you say FP mienu ni aduonu na abato ya breaking date that woman no way ayo how be any wo brebi and a one bro mu aha wo mu hunte no kebeya wonum ji wo ma home na wonum empe baby fo mu kase enwufi se wonum etwu mu ene betene ye pekurampo na esanse wonwuma bone ya wo beye de ma wo mamafo e wo be se enfie nwotwe aye komunte no emmoa ema wonum ensanka tumi no emetoa so ma breaking the 8 ne mam emfa ma wonum wadansem wese nyina edi ewa hafo no southwest abato mpesua so wabra ema dom ko ya na wonum atene foforo wo ho no wonum epa honto manam so nte no wogina sa kwanya no so de afutuo kwama amanyoko ne ma se wonum enye baako na praye wo hwe no wuyi baako a ebu na ukabom so a ene ebeye din so bibobum se de ebeye amanyoko no efimpi mienu ene aduonu na abato no wo betimi ehwim tumi no e de free MPP nsem
8 no omutumi enye de embekine ne embekine china embekine ade achia ayesu ene enipenya de ati Ghana for any ide ati ahokyere pa ye ma me no na ede ehu no pa enne yes free SHS no nuanom nyame ya do by next week and next 2 weeks ye nuanom eketwa ebeko school 116 kakra ye ba 4,000 5,000 6,000
Ebusiafo na kwasi etitire ni demand disi amanyoko ni faye no wasante mantama se ni etie no na no achi ena titire ni edema amanyoko ni fa no wa afo no southwest abato ampesua so won bonyafo Eric Dapa wano so de nsem say eto ema no anim
ma hwe Ghana manu nyina ade a ema ya ade ho pa ne se ebra me kwajo broni amegina hayi NDC constituency chairman mabo ema mienu amane se me pese mete asole wa akire ha ema mienu na mabo amane o enso ebedi bosome ne manya ma oha eja so hwe oman mu ha ema eti mu pa ye o my Ghana mu ha eti mesere mo se nyame odo mo kwa mfa mo kodura asomdiem na mo ko nyina so no mo kwa ne mo de yewura John Dramani Mahama na nisu ade hu papa wade mo amagana yewura Abubakar Sadiq Sompa FM
Oni monyafo Eric Dapa ene etie ndo na eno achi ne kurakura mu no ena madam Adwa Usu a wono so eye madam frefo edema NDC amanyoko ewo eye empesua no so ho wono so de kakra ya wode ete akire ni
adi pa yesi ahunya se mi adwo memenya me ho ni me kwa kwa tia no pa dwe ebe Usu de lala ya nya ya mo sai bebe ewe the one from deputy say do I hear who says on your yet I says so man my
NDC amanyoko ne mu bi ma ena yekọ ekotie wo mu no
yedemo eko MPP amanyoko na tena ye na honorable professor Lawyer Dixon or say SCB a senior law lecturer or Kwame Nkrumah Aponomo or Sasso a council member or technical university we unity say atwamang obi agya no for baton person so MPP amanyuku ne kwakoto obayi penia obegyina de ama amanyuku no a obeba no aba be prebina odo ani kire barekeso abonten so a barekese Methodist Primary School yesi dan no ne tebie wom na enye kra emo pani ono ankasa atunubutum akwako siesie dan no asi chese fe nenra eno moye amamre ne amane a wono mo ebia no mankwada no so mo nko no nkotina mu nkosia de na lawyer cheche nsemu kakra e de kire ni nti a otu eyesa na mo we
sabe eswar ebi na so yensa ami adum pempensue enti masede esemehwe se mofra enyina mensabe so omuso no omuso betumi apagya sene anyame adom mema bedu no obi beba betra me aya anema akese enu nti na mentumi hwema edan no a apratete no yesima akura bi ama ho ebebu agu ene ade no yebetumi akura no amana ba besi same
Abzanfo na edwa kire na opani a ohwe ngomesua so e wa twemangwa biagya no for baton pesua so opani Frank Dia Boaten esoso eda lawyer CA papa
so ohwe baby a school dan ni se kodu ye ni baby a watimi apagya dua na ye asida kese ene ye de ma no ye kan se nya ministra no say no ye culture of maintenance Ghana ha very poor and you be here no ye be si dan be hu dan ne fefe bia no so enche na dan na ye basa
na enwachire na headmaster ono so eda school na no edin sem say etudwa
in fact the fefa lawyer abaye amaye no ya hudwiri if you school no dan no na mpempenso ne de tebia ewo mu no enye kura va na teacher fo mpo kwakira de ewo mu a enhyira nsem ne be ka kire ye papa lawyer se wa be boa
lawyer ye mishira ne pa because
Abzanfonti weye Professor Lawyer Dixon Osei Esiba oye senior law lecturer wo Kwame Nkrumah Aponomo na osaso ye council member wa technical university ene yete ne nke wosre twa ni esa nyine for no se abato no duro so atwemangwa biagya no for abato mpesua so MPP amanyuku no mu a wono ma enkai no
afe ye kwabno mantem na oduma se ye no eye sunya no West Kropon no ni kro batem ene yakwa akwadro na ehwafo mabunu ni bi ye kwaku ahodo maka wo ho abom no wonom kyerɛ sɛ wiaso wɔ no yɛfuru yɛ ya no wamfɛ wɔ se a wobi ehu de ɛha wonte no anam so amoate wɔ ho de agumɔnten so kyerɛ sɛ mpuntudwuma ɛwɔ sa de hyɛ ne nsaka na etimi boa wɔnom asetena ne nyade a wɔn nsa kente no wasrɛ mpanyinfoɔ sa daro ma wɔmhwɛ na wɔnom ensiesie nneɛma ɛmfama wɔnom bra na wɔnom ɛyɛ kyerɛ no ɛkɔsoɔ no panyin paa ya wɔno ɛyɛ wɔn kandifo a wɔdi wɔn anim yɛwura MK Amu a wɔde nsɛm sei ɛto dwa.
Yabaya, we come in a peaceful demonstration. Na ya niama ehaye. Number 1, eya Dumasi Akwan. Si akase Dumasi Akwan ekwan ni dosu. 1, eya ne free Dumasi low cost. Eya babesi snake traffic lights. Say contractor no, eya bridge bi. Ewa Dumasi bi pona ya se o. Bridge no onye but contractor no asesa ne niam akọ
epona ya se wo bridge ne nsem bi ekeka ho ye how de ma wonom no e na yewura Amu a wode etu dwa no na ne nyina mu no wonom de o ma de sra gyina egu nkrata so de kwama ebro matem so afo no monyafo owusu banahene Justina ema wono so so mu no odansem se ye di e de tre
and so I can find a walk and cut on the sword. And permission and Panifuan a Juaha, a beam, a obi, and our drum mea. On the matter, I said, the Jumano Sontino, measure fine, or what I say. To measure and cut anymore. Now, just so a year office, and yet the end said, the bear cut out the also. Now, a mampania, or palm is having better. Let's use so at the Amano.
Ebusia for bro mantem so for monyanfo Justina owusu banahene e na yetie no no
ye gina we suna no pen sam e papa no de be som na busuan ye de mosia se ne asore amoma hene ye dubu acha asaso atena se bio de ade ache bi adwumadie atoa mo so na ye wukwada enti wo frɛ no waka wasem e waka wasem dwumadie eso ye ne eso ma no pen na ya obo amali bi aboga no pen mene
o hene ire ma me akua ye bo asia ma ye fa sedama kokwa Veronica Jando woni news screen nyina sa no pen wada romobo abo ansema no a eye Rasante ye bo Benedict agesem a wode ema ye ekenkan ye yakramo
Onitin bi epue opue ya wampu ni kwa o odi eniji ani nkwanhye abrabo mu afutu nyamsum wani daso ede eniji abro ni panyina Sompa ba ebe sunima Sompa TV to Sompa TV na ya wani pama o na unu huarada if is a good year munsemo ubenya abera bom munsemo ubenya nyamsum munsem ubenya ani jie munsem ubenya enyumpa na kakoma ubenya yamaimu amanyosem ubenya osumpa di bravo ubenya ni nyina Sompa TV Yabana papini suo Sompa die Ema kefiapa
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasam ketua Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a womu gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 There's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Me call me mpena ho.
Who come now what me aduma?
Na say grace ke fitia da woro menti. Say bibia anya nwanwa bi. We no. Ai say dey gina so chile be yi.
Na ma say awon wa afia ma.
Me secret ana wo de na meboa. Na wo de na na. O nim.
Me secret ko fa. Aya oni quick na ta atobo. Uko tu na 3 days aba ko me ka ho. Ama me nhwia me ka chiro. Bi kuno a nice husband. Just there, yareba na why na down. Ka choko ka look ho. Na no better no.
Yes, catch and win.
Stroke the one no draw. Stroke the be one. The best gift ever. New Achimota petroleum one. A draw work, baby. Hey, stroke man.
And then me Obeti. Let's give it back energy.
Edrobia, Edkade.
Hey, Sewa, me who watch you. Me na no me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afraina bebeko. Men krata krani.
Hey, any me ma connection man for den kofosi kedwane ne wenye otedi di musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti. Akwentu aye for. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do beko mind be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say aye to ana se visit in so. Express Group do beko Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafule Roundabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. For more Ahomacho for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Ghana for a free no credit. Ye ha won masuamu nyina to atwa efrise Kenvera International School asasia ogie adesiafo a free crèche akopim nursery 2 die onni ha okra o wa chachofo a waben na wode nyamesuro akomapa ene ntete pa atete nkoda no suku yi e wo CCTV cameras ahodo a e monitor akoda bia kwose so be free school mu ho na enikasam ne se oba nyare e ma won fra wo fon so sabra be fa oba esanse suku no ankasa wo sick bia wode ya nurse fo agumu a won mo hwe nkoda no apomudin na wosa wo spacious playground a abrebia nkoda no kokko diagro enti awofo mo ha onyina etu atwa obehu Kenvero International School awo kronom kwapra a ebe wisdom anase kwapra palace no telephone 0240693720 0240693720 Kenvero International School ana building up future leaders.
Kumasi can never be dull with DK Events. DK Events na Fibia, Bronya Bia, Omagana, Kumasi ha Rocky Ankasa. And this Christmas is no exception. Nyami Aduma 29